The first 100,000 euros is often the hardest, not because it's out of reach, but because it's where most people are still building habits, discipline, and confidence. You're learning on how to manage your income, avoid common pitfalls, and make decisions that can add up over time. In this video, we will walk you through 4 practical strategies that can help you to reach your first 6 figures. We will talk about managing your cash flow, staying consistent, and building a portfolio that's designed to last. And we will show you how Mintos can help you put these ideas into practice. The information in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Always do your own research or consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions. When you are thinking about how to reach the first 100K, there are 3 things to keep in mind: how much you earn, how much you save, and how well you invested. To make real progress, you need to free up money to invest, make sure that money is actually working for you, and stay consistent over time. Let's start with freeing up capital. That could mean negotiating a raise, starting a side income, or being more intentional with your spending. Even an extra 100 to 200 euros a month invested constantly can accelerate your progress more than you would expect. Many rely on their salary as a primary income. Ensure your salary is at market level and fair. Address any perceived gaps. Boosting your income stream increases capital for investment. Being intentional with spending also frees up capital. Evaluate regular expenses like unused subscription, standing contracts like phone, energy, insurance providers, and compare those and switch providers to free up monthly capital for investments. Then take a closer look at where your money is sitting. Got cash piling up in your debit account or stuck in low-yield savings? Reallocate that money into something productive. Investments that earn you daily interest and keep your capital working. Every euro working for you is a multiplier. The faster you can deploy capital, the faster compounding takes over. Once you've freed up capital, the next step is to make every euro pull its own weight and even more than that. This is where many intermediate investors start to shift gears, by setting up a system that compounds automatically. Compounding means your returns are starting to earn their own returns. It's growth on top of growth. Over time, that snowball effect can turn small regular investment into something much bigger. To make compounding work for you, there are a few things to focus on. Start by setting up regular monthly or quarterly contributions. Create standing bank transfer and investment orders. Automate that process so you don't have to think about it and get active every time. Then reinvest what you earn. Dividends, bond interests, loan repayments. Don't cash them out. Let them stay in your portfolio, reinvest them and let them grow. Let's say you invest 1,000 euros a month and earn 6 to 7% a year. You would reach 100,000 euros in just about 7 years. And that's not about the perfect timing or timing the market. It's about time in the market and consistency. When investing, make sure your investments are not all moving in the same direction. A good mix of assets helps balance things out when the market gets choppy. Once you're getting close to the 100K, it's not about how fast you can grow. It's how well your portfolio can hold up and keep working for you through different market conditions. The goal is to build something balanced. You want the mix of growth, income, and easy access to cash. Start with short-term needs. Keep around 10 to 20% in something liquid, like high-yield savings accounts or money market funds. That gives you flexibility when you need it. Then cover your midterm layer. Put about 40% into lower to mid-risk income-generating assets. Bonds and loans are great here because they offer steady returns and less volatility. And for long-term growth, invest the remaining 50 to 40% into assets like ETFs, single stocks, or real estate. These are the assets that can build real wealth over time. Mintos can support every part of this strategy. Mintos Smart Cash for liquidity, bonds and loans for steady income, Mintos Core ETF and real estate for long-term growth. Reaching your 100K is hard enough. Don't let avoidable mistakes slow you down. Building wealth is as much about defense as offense. First, watch out for high fees. Even 1 or 2% a year might not seem much, but over decades it can cost you tens of thousands in lost growth. Second, be smart about taxes. Use tax-efficient products where you can. Reinvest income instead of cashing it out can help you to delay or reduce tax liabilities. And third, stick to the plan. Market swings are normal, but reacting emotionally, like panic selling during a dip, can do more damage than the dip itself. Mintos keeps costs low and offers automated tools to help you to stay aligned with your strategy. And that's exactly what you need when you're building toward your first 100K. Something consistent, hassle-free, and built to help you avoid common mistakes. Here's how Mintos can support you on your journey to your first 100K. Loans give you a predictable cash flow that you can reinvest automatically. Real estate offers rental income without the stress of managing a property. Bonds provide you fixed returns and help stabilize your portfolio. Mintos Core ETF give you global exposure and come with zero commission. And Smart Cash gives you easy access to your money with returns that may be more attractive than your typical savings account. You can start layering these into your strategy from just 50 euros. Your first 100K is a milestone in your investment journey. To reach it, you need to build habits, have a strategy, and stay consistent. To get there, focus on a few key moves. Increase your deployable capital and grow your cash flow. Reinvest consistently to unlock compounding. Build a resilient, layered portfolio. And protect your gains by optimizing fees and taxes and avoid emotional detours. Like the video if you're ready to hit your 100K smarter and faster. What's your top strategy to scale your wealth? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and here's to the first 100K and beyond.